We're back!
We're here in Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. It's a beautiful day.
And we're here for a very sweet experience. I love cinnamon bread so much. I am so excited for this experience, and I'm excited to bring you guys along to see how cinnamon bread is made.
I know how Melissa is in the kitchen, and usually she's really good. But when she's under pressure, well, there could be flour flying, there could be butter flying, there could be cinnamon going everywhere.
You never know.
You gotta be on your A game if you're there with cinnamon bread professionals.
They're gonna show me the ways of the cinnamon bread.
We're here at Clarabelle's, the cinnamon bread mecca. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm so ready. I can smell the cinnamon bread. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go do this.
We're here inside Clarabelle's, and this is Sawyer Nichols, who you might recognize from one of our other videos. And he is the one that set this up so Melissa can make some cinnamon bread.
I'm so excited. I love cinnamon bread. And if you guys have watched our videos before, you know how much I love cinnamon bread. So thank you so much, Sawyer.
Yeah,
I cannot wait for this experience.
Thanks for coming out a little bit early to make it happen this morning. 300,000 loaves of cinnamon bread is what comes out of Clarabelle's every single year. All kinds of different varieties. Our original is our most popular. And you know that some of our other parks too within Hershey also serve cinnamon bread. And there's always a friendly rivalry, right, on whose tastes the best. So we'll see. You're the one who's baking it this morning, so it's up to you.
But also, they have so many different flavors here too. Like they have, look at
right
this,
here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different flavors of cinnamon bread. If someone is here for the very first time, they're coming to Silver Dollar City, it's their very first time, what cinnamon bread flavor do you recommend they try?
Original. Just
Original.
the OG. Like if you've never had it before, do kind of, you know, the bread pool, like all the TikTokers. Take a fresh piece, pull it in half, share it with the family. It's sliced into 4 slices, so it's perfect for sharing with the group. There's no wrong way to do cinnamon bread.
No shame.
Breakfast.
Or you could just eat a whole loaf yourself and then make sure you bring some home.
So yeah, no judgment.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, 4th meal, anytime.
Cinnamon bread is always here for you, is what we're saying.
But I love that pull when you pull it and you have all that like cinnamon just like oozing off of it. Oh yeah,
If your hands are clean, you're doing it wrong. Should we get to it?
Yeah, let's get to it.
Here's your.
I got my bonnet.
Really quick.
Yes. Oh, yeah. I love it. You are a Silver Dollar City cinnamon bread maker for the day. Oh, and here comes your apron.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
All right, let's go make some cinnamon bread.
She's pretty good in the kitchen, so we'll see how this goes.
As long as it doesn't get too messy, I'm fine.
I'm looking for a little bit of mentorship here.
You got the worst baker for that.
Do you have any recommendations?
Pray to God, and the loaves usually taste pretty good afterwards.
All right. You ready?
Yeah. For step 1, we wash our hands.
Washy, washy.
Oh, you gotta use your knee.
You gotta use your knee.
That's actually really nice.
We're getting serious here.
There you are.
Putting the gloves on.
It smells awesome.
Oh, I already ripped my glove. So one of our things is we love traveling, and we'll find things that we love, that we ate and we fell in love with. So I like to go back home and try to recreate it. So I'm thinking that maybe when we go home, I might try to make cinnamon bread.
Isn't that like a super secret recipe that you guys keep under like lock and key?
Most guaranteed.
It's like the Coke vault. They have the cinnamon bread vault. This is where the magic happens, right here. The magic, cinnamon bread magic.
Oh my
I tried my
gosh.
best. Stop that.
All right.
And then, so what we do, put a little bit of butter on the brush. We do this. That way, when we cut, it doesn't heal back together.
Oh, okay.
You want to try?
Sure. You want me to do the other one?
Yeah.
We're buttering her up.
Get our knife.
Uh-oh.
We're going to do 1 cut in half, and then we're going to do 4 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you don't go all the way through it.
We'll have it still connected, but just enough to put more.
So, see, this is awesome, like, doing this, because I didn't know there were actually 2, like, halves in there.
Yep.
So now I know that there's actually a whole half for me.
Yeah. So you've got a big knife there.
Uh-oh, I don't think I'm doing this right.
Pretty good. You look pretty good.
I don't want to cut through the dough.
Let's see how good your cuts are.
Oh,
All right.
Oh my God, they're perfect.
oh
Look at
my
that.
gosh. Uh-oh, I think I was a little gentle on this
Let me
one.
see.
Yeah, we can just do this real quick.
Uh-oh, I didn't even cut that one.
Man.
Oops.
We gotta go correct it now.
There we go.
Perfect.
No such thing as mistakes in our fridge shop.
I mean, it's all gonna get eaten, right?
Exactly. Put enough cinnamon on, anything's fixed.
Love it. Love it.
Then for this, we just grab it,
Ooh.
dip in this, and then we kind of get butter on our hands, or butter, and then we just kind of lather it everywhere.
Nice and buttery.
So that's why it tastes so good.
Yes.
And then we put even more in our cinnamon.
Here we go. I'm buttering her up.
Again.
Uh-oh, I didn't put butter on my gloves. Is that too much?
No such thing.
You got an audience.
Hi.
Perfect, you're a natural. Ready?
You heard it. I'm a natural. Hi.
Look at everybody.
Wait, here we go. We'll do this. Uh-oh, I just broke my bread.
Get one of our buttered loaves. We're gonna basically put cinnamon in between each side.
Ooh.
Make sure it's completely covered. Once it's done, we give it a little shake.
A little shake.
Give it a little twist if you want.
Now, he's doing this in slow motion because I've seen him from out there and it's like you can barely see his hands. He's doing it so fast.
I love the spinning part. That's a must, right? All right, so you got to make sure you do the spinning part.
All right.
Of course, it makes more
And
of
the
a
butter's
mess, it
good?
makes it smell
All right, here we go. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. Here we
All right,
go.
you do it. All right, so you got to
We're gonna do this.
The spin. You guys want to back up?
Oh!
I saw it. I saw it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Did I just put it in here?
Yeah.
Look at that, my first cinnamon bread! Yay!
Well, it's not baked yet. We got to make sure it comes out
Oh, okay.
good.
I'm so excited to be back at Silver Dollar City, and this is so amazing. Like, I love cinnamon bread so much, and this is just, I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Are you going to spin this one too?
Yeah,
All right.
you gotta go full force. All right, ready? Did I get it good?
Yeah. I mean,
All right, here we go.
I don't, yeah.
Ready?
Go for it.
Oh gosh!
Most attempts.
Ready, and
Oh,
there we
wow.
go.
Dang. Let's see those hands. Wow. You know, this is a lot cleaner than I thought. So,
This is so cool.
You nailed it.
she did pretty good.
Thank you.
She gave me the flip, so that's bonus points too for
That's
style.
awesome. That's awesome. You did great, babe.
I think I got cinnamon all over me, but
That's
you know
okay.
what? I don't think you're doing it right if you don't get cinnamon on you. Ooh.
So this is after it proofs. So how long does it proof for?
So proofing can take anywhere between 20 to an hour.
20 minutes. Wow. Dang. And now that would go in the oven for, you said about 15 minutes-ish?
Yep.
Okay. That's a big oven.
Cinnamon bread! Look. This is the inner workings of cinnamon bread here. This is how the magic happens. The final stage of cinnamon bread. Look. Ooh. Now, I have a question.
Yeah.
So we're traveling and we don't get cinnamon bread every single day. Can you actually take cinnamon bread home and freeze it? Would it be good the next day or like a month later or 6 months later?
Yeah, you can freeze it. We've had somebody freeze it up to a year and warm it right back up, and it's good. My favorite thing to do with leftover cinnamon bread, if there is any, is make French toast.
Ooh, now you're talking.
Well, I came to the point where you said the thing I like to do with cinnamon bread, if there is any leftover. If there is any leftover.
Yes,
That's
if
the
there
key
is
word.
any leftover, because when we get cinnamon bread, there is nothing left over. We've had the original so many times. Today we're gonna do something different, and we're gonna try the apple cinnamon because you can only get that here at Silver Dollar City. You can't get it at Dollywood, right here. So we're gonna do the apple cinnamon bread today.
So now we're gonna just pick whatever loaf you want out of the warmer.
Look at that. Hot potato! Look at those cuts. Someone did a good job.
Wasn't me. So you'll pick it up, and then this should be your apple topping.
Okay. Is that good? Just like that?
Below if you would want.
No, don't spin this one in the air.
Perfect.
Here in that corner.
Wow.
Ooh, icing. We love our icing. All right, here we go. How do you do this? Like this?
I think I might be out of a job.
Voila!
Nice.
Perfect.
Apple cinnamon bread. Are you guys hungry? You guys hungry for some apple cinnamon bread?
I'll take this. If you guys are enjoying this video, give Melissa a big like for going through making that cinnamon bread, spinning it in the air, and not making too big of a mess. I'm impressed. I only see a couple little marks on your apron. I see a few more now, self-induced. Thank you so much, Grayson, for guiding her through this. That was awesome.
Yes, thank you so much. This really means the world, and I can't believe I'm here at Silver Dollar City right now.
It's been my pleasure. Just wish you had a better baker.
No, you were awesome. Give me a high five. And thank you, Sawyer. Thank you again, also. Like, thank you so much.
Yes, this is the man that made it happen.
All right, now is the moment of truth. We've got our cinnamon bread here. We are the only ones in the dining room right now, and we are gonna enjoy this apple cinnamon bread.
You need some help digging into it?
Yeah, let's
do
I
it.
know it's professional, but yeah, just try to find one of the
Find one of the corners
pieces here.
Now we're going with your recommendation on the apple cinnamon bread
I
here.
saw. I'm surprised we went without the OG, but you've had it before, so.
Look, okay,
I
so
love
look
the size of
at
your piece.
look at my piece. Look at Sawyer's
A little
piece.
bit bigger.
And look at Melissa's piece.
No, I'm going all the way. Ready?
All right.
Here we go.
Cheers. Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you again, Sawyer.
How's the apple?
Oh my gosh. Okay. I love like apple pie. I love apple anything. I love cinnamon bread. And you put the two together like they had a baby, and it is just awesome. I mean, this is so good. It's warm, it's gooey, and then you've got the apple on there.
It's like the size of a baby.
That's it right there. So yes.
You can cradle it. You're blocking me here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're blocking my
Yeah,
access to the
it's
cinnamon
strategic.
bread. Man.
You know what? You're a true fan if you've got cinnamon bread dust on you.
That might have been when you were doing that fling.
You've seen that before, so.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
Grayson had an awesome technique, and I think you perfected it.
Wow. Look at the cinnamon bread here.
What
This
cinnamon
is
bread is
the
gone?
carnage. Cinnamon bread carnage right here.
Oh man.
There's still some like apples in there. I think you actually have some cinnamon on your lens.
Do I really? There, got it. Even the camera got cinnamon on it.
This was one of the sweetest experiences I've ever had at a theme park. So thank you so much, Silver Dollar City. Thank you, Sawyer. Thank you, Mark. And thank you, Grayson, for being such a great cinnamon bread guide.
And Grayson, I hope she didn't make too much of a mess in your kitchen. Spinning it up in the air.
That was a fun part.
That was awesome. We hope you've enjoyed watching Melissa make cinnamon bread. But if you haven't had cinnamon bread at Silver Dollar City, make sure to come see them. It's really, really worth it. We're gonna go find something else to do here, but before we leave, remember, every meal is a memory, and this was a big one.
A very big memory. And every trip is a story. I love cinnamon bread. I love cinnamon bread so much. I love cinnamon bread. I love cinnamon bread.
It's on a need-to-know basis.
I see what you did there.